A franchise brochure, a salesperson's enthusiasm, and one big number, the projected return, shouting louder than everything else that matters. This workbook quiets the noise, so you can score competing opportunities with a clear head instead of getting sold. Here is how it works. You set a weight for each thing that matters to you: total investment, ongoing royalties, the projected return, franchisor support, brand strength, territory, lock-in, and track record. You weight them by how much they matter to you, not by how loud the pitch is. Then you rate each opportunity from 1 to 5, and one weighted score per opportunity comes out. Start with the money, the real numbers, not the best case. The Investment and Returns tab takes each opportunity's investment, revenue, and profit, and computes its return on investment and its payback period, a fair number to compare, instead of a headline figure on a flyer that hides the rest. The Decision Scorecard is where it comes together. Weight your criteria once, rate every opportunity in each row, and the weighted score and the ranking fill in automatically. It is preloaded with 3 example opportunities, so you can see the method working before you enter your own. Along the way, the Opportunity Facts tab lines up every opportunity's terms side by side: type, entry fee, royalty, territory, and term. Seeing them lined up is half the value. It surfaces the gaps a brochure tends to gloss over. Then the payoff. Results and ranking sorts your opportunities by overall fit and sets the best fit one right next to the highest return one. In our example, the opportunity with the highest projected return does not win overall, and choosing the best fit means giving up about 25% of projected return. Now that trade-off is a number you can decide on purpose, and you own it outright. No login, no subscription, no app holding your decision behind a paywall. Just a structured workbook you keep and reuse for the next big choice. It works in Excel, in Google Sheets with one click, and in LibreOffice. And it even includes a due diligence checklist for before you sign. Find it on Ardent Workshop and on Etsy, and try the free web scorer first if you would like. Score the decision, don't get sold, own it, don't rent it.